terms of buzzing stocks, there was a lot of action. Coforge was a big one we've been speaking about all day today. But tell us what else is buzzing in trade.
It's been a painful grind lower for the benchmark index with a very, very narrow range that the Nifty continues to trade in, for that matter. And the broader markets too, there's specific stock activity that you get to see. Of course, Coforge has seen very, very sharp moves on either side right through the morning. We'll talk about that as the show goes by. But if you take a look at some of the broader market names in particular, you start off with a name like HFCL. It snapped a two-day losing streak in today's session. The stock is up 7% today, and since then the volumes that the stock at which has moved higher is already at the highest level since August of 2024. We have had more than 10 crore shares that have been traded on HFCL. The 20-day average is around 47 lakh shares. The big talking point for the stock is the fact that despite it this move, the stock remains below key moving averages, and the stock will move out of the FNO segment from tomorrow's trading session. So tomorrow will be the last day for the stock as an FNO stock, and then we'll start trading only in the cash markets from Wednesday. It has had a forgettable year so far. It's down 41%, and it's turning out to be the worst year that it has had since 2008. So not good going for HFCL in 2025, but among the top buzzers today. HEG and Graphite India are making an up move today. Both of them trading with gains of around 5% each, and both of them are also trading on substantially high volumes as well. For HEG, we have had 25 lakh shares that have been traded. Graphite India has had 20 lakh shares traded. Now the 20-day average here too, HEG is now 8x its 20-day average in terms of its volumes, and Graphite India is more than 20x its 20-day volumes, 1.5 lakh shares being the 20-day average. And lastly on the list is a Mishra Dhatu Nigam, or Midhani as they like to call it. Defense names have been on the up move all through this session today, ahead of that Defense Acquisition Council meeting. Has gained in 6 out of the last 7 trading sessions. The stock's volumes today are the highest in the last 5 months, and in terms of the volumes today as well, 34 lakh shares have been traded compared to a 20-day average of 1.2 lakh shares. And even in terms of the stock, the stock has now crossed the 50-day moving average of 343. The 100 and 200-day moving average on the upside is at 366. So important levels on the upside that lie ahead for Midhani. And the stock, courtesy of this 12% up move today, has turned positive for 2025. And the stock was down almost 20% in the year gone by, Ritu.
Well, let's focus on another stock, Hormaz.